Optimize. How do we graduate our partners to manage partner status? We combine Foundation, Accelerate, and Optimize to provide you fully managed and outsourced Microsoft practice management. We take care of all your Microsoft needs and ensure you're set up with all of the current programs, incentives, trainings, and opportunities. This program also provides fully outsourced sales and marketing guidance. We'll conduct 4 on-site sales and value prop training for your staff and deliver one-on-one monthly meetings to ensure we're hitting KPIs. Next focus will be how to train your staff to use a custom immersion experience as a lead generation tool and combine that with Microsoft MDF to fund future opportunities. We'll also focus on next-gen partner development by introducing IP building concepts to add to your offerings. When that is completed, we'll install the Marketing Machine program and assist with becoming a managed partner from Microsoft. Click on the Apply button below to become the next partner of tomorrow.